I'm at Lakeshore, Taguig City. This is Laguna de Bay and I'm at Lakeshore, Taguig City. Just finished my Inspiring Leadership seminar in connection with Cooperative Month 2023. Thank you so much for watching.